You are successfully logged in with your username. Click the Continue button using controller. Welcome to Mixed Reality Hand Gripper Exercise Experience. Let's learn about hand gesture recognition now. You can keep your controllers down if you are holding in your hands. After controller kept at desk, you will see a hand gesture recognition. Pinch the Continue button. 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 Immersive MR Hand Grip Recovery. This app will help you practice hand grip exercises for recovery. You can press and release the hand gripper to improve strength and movement. Use this app only if you are able to make small hand movements comfortably. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Keep your right hand open and relaxed. Bring your hand to the gripper and grab it firmly. Squeeze the gripper, then release gently. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Choose among one of the 3 levels of resistance force value. Choose your level with hand pinch animation. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Hold your virtual digital gripper in the hand. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button. Pinch the Continue button.